2016 Chrysler 200. I know you guys haven't heard one of these straight pipe, so we just did it for you guys. Comes true dualed from the factory. It's a 6-cylinder. Then it wires into a single factory resonator. Then 2.5-inch pipe. We put a Y pipe on it because it had one single big muffler, and it goes out to those tips that are built into the diffuser. We cut that out and straight piped it. Did a basic muffler delete on it. There and there. Came out really pretty right there. There's a huge muffler we cut off. So you guys know it should make some sound, hopefully. So we'll see in a minute. We'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. Again. Sound decibels again. It's about 93. So you guys heard it with just a muffler delete. It was way too quiet. So we tried another thing. We took the resonator off. That gigantic thing there. Everything's huge on this car for some reason, exhaust wise. Right there. And we showed you guys the muffler delete. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it again. Hopefully it'll be a lot louder now. We'll let you guys see in a second. It's better. There we go. Much better. So we took muffler and resonator off. Again. Sound decibels again. 106. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Much better, huh? Yeah, it made a huge difference. Give it gas. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 200 V6.